Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vidalia, long distance movers near me. If you're relocating from another country or state into Vidalia or vice versa, this is a long distance move. It covers over 50 miles of distance. Our company has enough hands to help you migrate to another location. Whether you're moving based on a job transfer or a better environment, 3 Movers helps your goal become reality. Since we are insured and licensed, moving through the hustle and bustle of the state is easy. We have ample experience to handle your long distance move. We also possess liability options defined by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Association to keep all belongings safe. Before entrusting your belongings to a relocation company, confirming the delivery time and the charges associated with the move is important. At 3 Movers, our local moving services are fast and affordable. They go for an amount of $30 to $40 every hour. Our professional movers and packers with a truck are trained enough to help you save costs. You won't have to be concerned about the delivery time and moving costs. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Vidalia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.